Hiya, welcome to the potting shed. So today I want to talk to you about the great morning that I've just had, and it involves some compost that I was given last year to try out, and I thought it was amazing. It was from Bronte Heritage, and I thought it was great. It's the best compost I've come across. So I've been trying to source garden centres that stock it, because I don't want to be paying £10 for it and then postage on top of that. So I found a fairly local garden centre, which is about 30 minutes drive from here, and when I arrived I saw a great big mountain of this stuff, which made me happy. It was down for 2 bags for 18 quid, which I was quite happy to pay for, but when I ran it through the till, they had a secondary offer on, and it was £2 bags for £12, which is absolutely brilliant. So I bought six bags in the end, and I just want to show it to you. So this is it, the Bronte Heritage Collection, peat free of course, but I just love the structure of it. It's got the perlite in it, and I didn't get any fungus gnats using this compost last year, and I think because there's particles in it and the structure of it, I just think it makes watering easy. It retains a lot of the moisture anyway, so I find I was never over watering. Of course, when you're over watering, you attract fungus gnats anyway. So yeah, I thought this was brilliant. So I'm going to be testing it out anyway, because I've got a house plant that I need to repot because that was riddled with fungus gnats. So I'm going to be testing that. So hopefully it will deter the fungus gnats. And also from the same garden centre, I had these, which were RRP in at £4.99, and I needed some sugar snaps, but when they were also offering these for £1, so I got three boxes of these for £3. So I was well chuffed. And finally, I got my Wrecker book. So yeah, this is out now. It's Wrecker's Kitchen Garden, the lovely Wrecker mystery. So yeah, I'm going to be delving in this later on today. So this is a closer look at the compost. It's got perlite in it, bits of wood, lots of particles. So I know the green in the compost is processed in Germany under strict controls. So yeah, you know you're not going to have any nasties within the compost, and it's just all around great stuff. So let's hope my potting plant recovers